Increment everything. So let's continue the Supermemo course, the Pleasurable expansion. And now we will continue with filtering elements. We have seen that, from Fowl, I expanded this. We have seen this so far, the element filter window. But you may think, that's super tedious, that every time. Now I want to filter priorities, so I have to uncheck repetitions, check priorities. Perhaps it's 25. It's too much work, right? Well, precisely this today we will see this. You can actually save this. So last used is the last thing that I used, the last browser, the last element filter that I used. That was the repetitions and this date. By default, you will get this. Then you have one that is leads. I know this is built in, I don't memorize it. But here I have that for me, the definition of a lapse is an item that is memorized and has at the very least 5 lapses. Then what I could do is also further filter this, and I want to be on the top 20% of the priority. And I can save that. And it will be leads high P, high priority. And I can save this search. It's not a search, this filter. So next time that I do anything and click OK, and I get some results, then immediately I can go F8 and now select the last used and leads high priority and filter again. Sorry, I can go this, lapses and priority. In this case I have none. So now let's use a different combination so I can guarantee I will have that. Hey, I don't want the last used. I want the last filter. It's the same. Now it's the same, right? So let me do the leads. Okay. And now I can filter for it. Let me see look at the repetition. So I have 3 that are below that. So now we know this will work. So now it's no. I want the leaches of high priority. Boom. Here you go. I don't have to manually type every single type. Oh yeah, check this box, So what is more commonly used for you, you will use this feature. This is especially indicated if you have, I don't know, like I shown before in the other videos. I want topics that are only one repetition away to finish them. Because I want to do a quick session. What I can do is have this. So let me go to view, filter. Now I don't want priorities, no lapses. I want topics, only topics that are memorized, that have at least 2 repetitions, so more than the default, than the automatic, and which interval already surpasses half a year, let's say. And I will save this as quick review, because I can save it without running it, by the way. Here you go. 1600-ish. Okay, here you go. And now I open this already. Sort by priority, bam. Or sort by interval, and I start the subset right away. Rather quick. And remember that you can nest that. So if we use the same filter, quick review, as soon as this is done, I can go F8 and further filter that. If I did one that, I don't know, takes into account the factor or the postpones, in case you use auto postpone, I want to do this, but now I want to filter out postponed topics or whatever. You could do it. This simplifies quite a lot. So I know that at the end of the day, you could also use hotkey scripts, but if you don't want to go in that direction, it's something I heavily recommend. Then my heuristics are quick reviews. Reviews I want to do when I am on the mood, or when it's very late. I want to review something that is already pre-cooked, that they have done a lot of extracts already, and it's just like administrative work almost. That to check, oh yeah, this is all done, let me play done, next, It's very lightweight. Cognitively, it's very lightweight. I can call it administrative stuff. I want a quick review. I want leeches. I want, I don't know, serendipity booster. That's something that has been imported, hasn't been reviewed at all, and the priority is quite in the range. Why not? Or let me see items that the U factor is crazy, that I'm, in other words, neglecting. Yep, let me do a subset of the items that I'm neglecting the most. It will be kind of the thing in Anki, relative overdoeness kind of thing. Then I finish the subset review, and once I'm done, I continue with my outstanding. So now you have all of the knowledge to do any subset, any combination of subset you want, with the only exception of these sources, articles, extracts, and descendants that we will leave for the incremental reading section. But spoiler alert, it's not that useful. It will be used, depending how you use Supermemo, you will require to locate the extracts and all stuff like that. And to repeat what I said at the beginning of the section, as your collection grows, you will rely more on subsets. You want to be more picky because you have a plethora of topics, concepts, could be the case of templates, different stages of postpones, and yeah, it's a chaos. So even though I cannot sort or filter meaningfully in high precision, in just some heuristics, some clicks here and there, or saved filters, I can get more or less what I want very quickly. And this will increase the pleasure when you use Supermemo, especially later when your collection starts growing, and if you don't prioritize and you don't follow those, you're not systematic, it will lead that, yeah, plenty of stuff doesn't interest me, I'm bored, and I stop using Supermemo. Cool. See you in the next video.